Okay, G. Good morning. So, during this season in Mumbai and across Maharashtra, I believe, one thing that is often made and which I really missed eating yesterday was tilgur. So, tilgur is basically til and gud mixed together to form to make a laddu. And that was something I used to eat so much in Bombay. So, I decided, let me make it. Add 1/4 cup of sesame seeds, put on the gas and lightly begin toasting them. Make sure you don't burn it. So roast it till it's just slightly golden. So we begin by adding a little ghee to the saucepan and then we add the gur. And then we just turn on the heat and let it melt. As you can see, it's melted down now. I'll just add the roasted sesame seeds. Now I add the cacao to the mixture as well. This is what it is. And so good. So good. Try it today. Tell me how it tastes. Ciao.